Hello there, I'm Dr. Tom Potisk, author of the fabulous new book, Whole Health Healing, the budget-friendly natural wellness Bible for all ages. And it's that time of year again, you know, when people start to cough and sneeze and get colds and flus. It's that time of year when people get those things. And before you take any prescription medications or over-the-counter medications or even just try to tough it out, I want you to know there's lots of natural and holistic things that you can do to get over that faster and prevent it from happening again. And I've written details about that in an article, and you can get that article for free. It's called Coughing, Sneezing, Colds and Flu, What Can You Do? It's right below in the description section. If you click on that URL, you can get that article for free. So enjoy it. Bye-bye.